Founded with the belief that the only way to truly know what you're eating is to know your farmer by name, Nutrafarms has always strived to be active participants in the communities we serve. Over the years, we've been honored to sponsor dozens of junior athletic teams. That includes basketball, ringette, and all levels of junior hockey, from youngsters all the way up to Stainer's Junior C and Collingwood's Junior A teams. You've invited us to stroll with you. You've invited us to play with you, to celebrate with you, and you've invited us to eat with you. And for that, we want to say thank you by continuing to support the local food banks in the communities we serve, by continuing to support local charities, and by continuing to show up when you invite us to barbecues. Thanks, Ontario.